Let me share my screen. Okay. So here's our lesson for today. Can you see my screen now? Can you see a picture on my screen? Okay, that's good. All right, so our lesson for today is, can you read this one? Okay, take your time. You can fix everything first, okay?
My house.
Okay, is everything okay there? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. So we will start, all right? So again, what is our topic for today? It's all about, please read this one again.
My house.
Okay, very good. My house. Now, what can you see on the picture? It is it is,
It's a bedroom.
okay, the first picture is a bedroom. Very good. What is the color of the bed? This one. What is the color of the bed? Go ahead, Tulam.
It's cold.
It's purple. Very good. Do you have your own bedroom? Or you sleep with your mom?
With mom.
Okay, you sleep with mom. That's good. Okay, how about the second picture? What is this? What do you think is this? This is what is that picture? It's
I don't know.
okay. Can you read this one for me? What is that? That is,
Bathroom.
it's a bathroom. Very good. This is where you take a bath. Look at that. This is a tub, right? Okay, let's just say this is mom. Okay, this is mom. This one. And this is you. What do you think are you doing inside? You are? You are? What do you do in the bathroom? Take your time. You are? Can you say, I am taking a bath? Is that correct? All right? You are taking a bath inside a bathroom, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is you and this is mom. Mom is taking a bath on you. Did she do that on you? Is mom taking a bath for you? Or you take a bath on
Yes.
your own? Okay, that's good. Okay, how about the third picture? Look, this one. What is that? What is on the picture?
Bathroom.
It's a bedroom again. How many bedroom do you have in your house? How many? One, two, or
Two.
three? How many bedroom?
Two.
There are two. Okay, that is good. How about this one? Okay. How about this one? The fourth picture. What is this? This is a, please read this one. It's a,
Living room.
it's a living
Living room.
room. Very good. Now, what can you see on the picture? What is on the picture? Look, there are, there are people, right? Is everything okay there, Tulam? Are you okay? You okay?
Yes.
All right. Again, what can you see on the picture? Look, there's a mom and there's a daughter just like you. There's a baby. Do you agree? Is that correct? Is teacher correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do you think are they doing? What are they doing? Look, there's a, what is this? Look, it is an, okay. It's a TV. It's a television. Okay. Do you have a TV in your house? Do you have a TV there in your house?
Yes.
Okay. That is good. Do you watch TV with your mom just like this on the picture?
Yes.
Okay. How about this one? What do you think is this?
Okay.
It's a chair. Very good. What is the color of the chair?
Green.
It's color green. Very good. Okay, next picture. Look at this one. What is this? Please read this one.
Day room.
It's one more time. Can you say dining room?
Day room.
Dining room. Okay, very good. This is where you look. What is this? It's a, it is food. It's a food, right? It's a food. Okay. You are not answering, teacher. All right. So this is a food, right? Now what is this? This one, what is this? That is a,
Table.
it's a table. Very good. How about this one? This. Look, it is a, it's a chair, right? It's a chair.
Yes.
Okay. Now what is the color of the chair and the table? What is the color?
Brown.
It's a brown. Very good. Okay. Dining room. Again, can you say dining room?
Dining room.
Okay. This is where you eat in the house. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Now, how about the last picture? What is this? Can you read this one for
Kitchen.
me? It's kitchen. Very good. It's kitchen. This is where mom, what do you do in the kitchen? What mom do in the kitchen? Mom? Can you say mom?
Cooks.
Cook. Very good. Mom cooks in the kitchen. All right. Very good. Okay. Okay. This time, again, what is on this picture? What is on the picture? Can you remember? What part of the house is that? It's
Bedroom.
it's bedroom. Very good. Again, this one. How about this one? It's a
Kitchen.
it's a
It's a
kitchen.
kitchen.
Okay, it can be a kitchen. All right, very good. How about the third picture? What do you think is that?
Dining room.
Okay, can you say it's a living room? Can you say that? Living room.
Living room.
All right, very good. Living room. All right. How about this one? Can you tell what is on the picture?
Bathroom.
It's bathroom. Very good. You remember the last picture. How about this one? It's a
Dining room.
it's a dining room. Again, what do you do in the dining room? What do you do in the dining room? This is where
Eat.
this is where you eat. Very good. And the last one, for the last one, look at this. What is this?
House.
It's a house. Very good. Okay. So all this picture, did you see this in your house? This part of the house? Can you see this on your house? Do you have bedroom? Do you have bedroom in your house?
Yes.
Okay, how about kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, how about living room?
Yes.
All right, bathroom, of course, you have, right? You have a bathroom in the
Yes.
house? Okay, and the dining room.
Yes.
All right. That's all. Good job. Good job, Tula. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, that is all for tonight. See you next meeting, okay?
Yes.
Okay, bye. Good night.